channel. So today I am going to be doing Phoebe Halliwell from Charmed. So I just absolutely love this show. It's one of my favorite shows. It just gives me such good vibes and good memories with it. So you guys really loved the Prue Halliwell tutorial and you guys were requesting Alyssa Milano like crazy. And I just was so surprised that you guys liked that video so much. I wasn't expecting that. Thanks to this company named Khalees, and they gave me this beautiful wig right here. I felt like it was perfect for Phoebe. I was like looking everywhere for a wig that looked like Phoebe's, and I couldn't find anything without it looking like too fake, you know what I mean? And really like late 90s, early 2000s, I love this hairstyle and this hair color, the caramel brown. I just feel like it's so flattering, especially for Phoebe, and it is super affordable. It's only $18.99. Especially because I do have a coupon code for you guys, so I will leave that linked down below. This wig is synthetic, it's not a human hair, and it is heat friendly. So I'm reading it off of here. So there's clips here at the top and then one of those hooks that you put underneath your hair just so it's nice and secure. You saw in the beginning of the video I had this really cute like early 2000s, late 90s type of hairstyle, so I just had it pinned back like so, and then this one up here, leaving the the pieces of hair dangling. I felt like this look is very Phoebe, you know, she always had this type of hairstyle. Very little synthetic shine, which I love. It's super cute, it's short and just fun and breezy. I'll probably wear this out and rock my inner Phoebe Halliwell. I love her so much. She's like one of my favorite characters in the show. And this is how the top of the wig looks too, just in case you were wondering. So I'll just leave everything linked down below. But anyways, yeah, let's get started on this Phoebe Halliwell tutorial.
Hi guys, welcome to my second video of the Charmed series. So I'm just taking this L'Oreal True Match foundation. It's very light coverage and breathable, so that's what I wanted to go for because they never overdid it with the makeup with these girls on this show. It was a very go-to makeup looks. Even when they did heavier looks, they were still very wearable, easy to achieve. So I am just taking this foundation right here. It blends into my skin tone very well, and it has like a dewy finish too. So I want to kind of make this look a little bit matte, but the dewy finish also helps because it makes it natural. So I'm also running this down my neck. Then what I'm going to do is, after I'm done blending this into my skin, of course I'm just taking concealer and concealing areas that need it, not necessarily overdoing it. So just like underneath the eyes. I don't think I put concealer anywhere else. So then I am blending it out. And I think that I'm going to keep it natural still and place just a little bit of powder. I'm not going to bake. I am using this Universal Fenty powder, so I'm just placing it in the areas that need to be set. So on my chin, underneath my eyes, of course, and on my forehead, the T-zone areas, but like I said, not caking it on to keep my skin looking like skin and not like this full beat. Then what I'm doing is taking some Hoola bronzer. Did you guys notice the rapid like change in her skin tone? Like season 1 she was a little fair, and then season 2, bam, she had like this crazy tan. If you guys are curious, you can always just watch it on Netflix. I'm like rewatching it on Netflix right now. I love this show. Like I completely forgot. I knew it was around still, but I completely forgot about it until they put it on Netflix. So yeah, I'm just giving myself a little bit of a tan on my cheeks, but not too much. We're not doing Phoebe season 2 because they gave her a bad fake tan on that show. All right, so then I am taking this blush. For a second I forgot what it was called, and like I said, very natural. You'll just rub this in. Try not to rub too hard because then you'll wipe some of your makeup off, but I feel like this gives you a natural flush, just kind of like what they did with the girls in the show. So obviously you kind of want to blend that out. So I'm just taking my blush brush lightly, not too hard because I don't want to wipe it off. This blush can easily come off if not set correctly. So just take any powdered blush that was a similar color and set it. So that is the face, very natural. I love it. We'll be using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette for today, and I'm just using this color called Bellini. I think that's how you pronounce it. Just using a champagne rose gold color, and that will work. Place this all over the lids. I couldn't choose which look I wanted to do for her, but I noticed that they usually used peachy tones with her eye looks. But trust me, this won't be the last Phoebe tutorial, or at least Alyssa Milano. I can go back. So then I'm using Puree or Pure from the palette, and it's just a coppery brown, and we're gonna lightly place that on the eyes right here, and just take a big fluffy brush so it's nice and natural. So I can't tell which girl wears the most makeup on the show. Sometimes I feel like it's Piper, but she's really natural too, but they do play up her eyes a lot. I just can't tell. I know that Phoebe, like Alyssa Milano's character, she wore a lot of makeup sometimes, but then she was natural a lot of the time. So it was very confusing. So then I'm taking some brown eyeliner and lining the tops, but don't be too perfect with this because we're just going to blend it out anyways to keep that natural look. So now what we're going to do is once we finish the other eye, I'm just taking a little brush. Oh, wait, we're not at that part yet. But line the lower lash line as well. Notice that she did this a lot. I did this off of reference pictures with her. And just like it's too hard. You can't, Netflix won't let you screenshot. So I couldn't screenshot, obviously. But I saw so many looks that I wanted to do, but they wouldn't let me screenshot. All right, so then what I was saying is you're just going to blend out that liner with a small brush, and that'll be like more smoked out and more natural. But yeah, I really was trying to, there were so many episodes I was watching where like, I like her makeup here, no, I like it there, and I tried screenshotting and it wouldn't let me, and Google's dumb and they don't know what I'm talking about when I type it in. So I just had to go off of like the show official pictures, and this is one of the looks I saw. So now you're just going to curl your lashes and add a little bit of mascara, not too much. They were very light-handed with her mascara. Clearly, they're witches, but they needed to try to blend in with everybody else, so they were just nice, natural girls. So once you're done with the mascara, also place it on, well, before you're done, place a little bit on your lower lashes so your lashes don't look all eyeshadowy. I don't know what other word to use besides that. And then now those are the eyes finished. I'm going to move on to the lips. This was tough because sometimes she wore no lipstick, but I thought that would be boring. So I just mixing Praise by Tarte and 1995 by Gerard Cosmetics, because she always was like, her lips were a little bit played up. Like they were very 90s with the darker brick red color. So, but there were some episodes where she just rocked like a clear gloss. But I wanted to go for the darker lip, so that's what I am going for. But I will blend it out a little bit with my finger.
Well guys, that is it for the makeup. I hope you guys loved it. Like I said, I will leave this wig linked down below. Like this video if you want to see Piper Halliwell and also Paige and then a few other people if you want to see all of those tutorials on here. I need to find the right wigs for those. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and so glad we got to go back in time together. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye.